Have you seen those cozy oversized hoodies and sweatshirts from the Warmy popping up all over your feed lately? They look like the perfect blend of comfort and style. But before you spend your hard-earned money, let's uncover whether the Warmy.com is a legit cozy wear brand or just another online trap disguised in soft fleece. The website claims to offer high-quality, oversized hoodies, dresses, and sweatshirts designed for relaxation, warmth, and casual fashion. On the surface, it all looks inviting. Smooth navigation, a clean layout, and plenty of product options in different colors and styles. The site has been active since November 2022, which is over 2 years online, giving it a bit more credibility than those pop-up stores that vanish overnight. Plus, they list contact details, including an email and physical address, and their Instagram shows real engagement with actual customers commenting and tagging the brand. However, digging deeper reveals a more mixed story. Trustpilot reviews show both sides. Some buyers genuinely love their Warmy hoodies, praising their softness and oversized comfort, while others have voiced frustrations about inconsistent sizing, delayed shipping times, and return fees that make exchanging items inconvenient. A few customers even mentioned that the material didn't match what they expected based on the photos, describing it as thinner or less premium than advertised. While it's not a total scam, it's also not the perfect cozy wear brand it markets itself to be. The Warmy seems to deliver for some but disappoint others, depending on luck, product choice, and expectations. So if you're tempted by those viral ads, just approach with realistic expectations. Great for cute lounging looks, but not without some risk. Comfort, yes. Consistency, not always.